Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here another video review of the IWO 68 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so this time we're going to check on the list of watch faces available for this wearable. Okay, so we have here the preloaded watch faces. We're going to check on later on the downloadable watch faces for the smartwatch. So let's check it out. Okay, so we have here the watch face. Okay, we have the menu here. Okay, so let's check on the watch face section. Okay, so we have a lot of watch faces here, animated and simple digital watch faces. Okay, so very impressive. Okay, it is preloaded with tons of watch faces. Okay, you don't have to go to the watch face section of the app just to download other watch faces. Okay, we already have here, okay, preloaded in the smartwatch. Okay, if we are not mistaken, I think this is the first, okay, in the series 7 and series 6 watch face or series 6 smartwatch with comprehensive list of watch faces already preloaded in the smartwatch. Okay, there's a lot of options here, different colors from analog to digital. Okay, this is the classic watch face, Mickey Mouse watch face. Okay, so tons of options here, as you can see. Okay, from analog to digital, this is a classic Hello Kitty watch face we have here. Okay, so this one seems like a watch face, Apple watch face. Okay, so we have tons of watch faces available in the wearable. Okay, so let's check. Okay, in our support app here, the fit. See, let's open the Bluetooth here and let's open the app. The RD Fit support app. Let's check if we are connected. Okay, so we are connected to the smartwatch, as you can see here. Okay, so let's go to the watch face market here. So we have tons of options here. I like this one. Okay, seems like a copy from the Apple Watch. Okay, so it is numbered here. The watch face is numbered, and we have here the analog section, we have the digital section. Okay, so let's check if we can download a watch face for our smartwatch, the IWO 68 Pro smartwatch. Again, the process is open your app, go to the device section of your support app, go to the watch face market here, and we have the categories here, pointer, or that is the analog in short, and we have the digital watch face. Okay, tap on it, and we have, you can adjust the time here. Okay, save, and it is automatically downloaded to your wearable, as you can see here. 1% downloading. We'll see, let's see. Okay, 3%. We'll have a successful download the watch face. Although we don't have it here, we don't have a progress bar here on the smartwatch, only here on the support app. Okay, so 30%. Let's just wait and we'll see if we'll encounter some issues. Okay, or we will have a successful downloading of the watch face in our wearable. Okay, so remember the look of the watch face here, the design. Again, the speed of downloading depends on the connection of your smartwatch to smartphone, the Bluetooth connectivity, as well as the internet connection. Okay, so we're almost done here. The watch push success. Okay, so we have successfully downloaded the watch face for our smartwatch. Okay, so let's go to the pointer and see. As I mentioned earlier, I like this one. Let's tap on it. Okay, so automatically downloaded. Seems like in the digital section here of the watch face, you have the option to adjust the position of the time. Okay, compared to the analog that is already fixed. Okay, let's wait again. Another minute here. So this is much faster compared to the digital section, digital style watch face. 67, 16%, 73, 74. Okay, we're almost close. Okay, watch push success. Okay, we have successfully downloaded the watch face for our IWO 68 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so we have another one, the digital or the dial section here, customization. Okay, you can add or upload your own background as a watch face. Okay, so let's try. So we have here the default. Okay, so let's select the picture. So you have the option to take pictures or take photo. Okay, so we have to take photo. It will go to your gallery. Okay, okay, so again, select picture. So what's the difference between take picture? Let's see. Okay, so take picture is from the gallery section, so we'll use this one. The take photo is using the camera of the camera app of your phone. Okay, so we have here dog. So we have the watch face here, so you can adjust the time position here. Okay, so there's no option for colors. Okay, and that's it. So just tap on save and it will be automatically pushed to your smartwatch. I hope they have an option to adjust the color of the time, especially if you have a bright background. Okay, so let's see if there's no issue for the custom watch face. So far in the digital and the analog watch face download, okay, so we don't have any issues at all. We have successfully loaded the watch face in our Series 7 IWO 68 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so we'll see with the custom watch face here. So we are on 70% here, 50 or 80, getting closer. Okay, we're almost done. And the watch face is pushed successfully. We have, okay, so we have here finally the watch face for our custom watch face for our IWO 68 smartwatch. As you can see, no issues at all. Very easy. Okay, no problem with the analog watch faces. So here are the list of analog watch faces. Again, please remember we have tons of preloaded watch faces in the IWO 68 smartwatch. Okay, so it's more than, I think it's more than 20 watch faces, and we have the analog here, and we also have additional digital watch face available for download. It's all free, available in the RD Fit app. Okay, if that is not enough, okay, although we have tons here of choices, as you can see, seems like an unlimited option of digital watch faces here. Okay, although some of them are simple, but still it's a good addition to the list of watch faces. If that is not enough, we have here the customization. Okay, custom watch face. Okay, so that's it on our tutorial for the watch face, downloadable and preloaded watch face, as well as custom watch faces for the IWO 68 Pro smartwatch and the RD Fit app. Again, if you have any questions regarding the support app or the watch face installation, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Goodbye.